Hey guys, welcome back to Festive Forever. So, before I start with my food vlog, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you guys haven't watched my earlier food vlogs, do watch them. So today I'm at Diablo, which is located at Worli. So here, this place is quite influenced by Middle Eastern culture and cuisine. So here we are gonna try some Turkish and Iranian food. So let's go and check it out. So guys, we have here our first dish. So here we have is hummus with meat, and here we have assorted breads, Turkish breads actually you can call them. So there are different kinds of bread you can see here. So I'm just gonna try one of them. So here, this is the first one we are trying. Hummus looks absolutely stunning. This has to be one of the best hummus I ever had. It was so smooth. I never had any hummus that even was this smooth. बहुत ही tasty है. I'm also going to try meat. Too good, guys. Meat is so tender, juicy. It's amazing. Hummus and meat का बहुत ही अच्छा combination और texture है. I never had actually hummus which is served with meat, but guys, इतना juicy और tender meat I never had, and the taste is quite creamy. Consistency is good. The oil is here, but then delicious, guys. Super delicious. जितना होना चाहिए hummus में लेमन उतना ही है, ना ज़्यादा ना कम. It's not, you can feel a lot sour, but the exact amount of sourness you can feel, and the breads are good. You can see this one is the crispy one. Here we have different buns. Here we have some crispy buns as well, with a lot of sesame on it. I'm just gonna give it a try. This place deserves. Too good, guys, too good. If you come here, do give it a try. This dish is fabulous, and if you love hummus and meat, you're never gonna go to any other place to have it. It's superb. So guys, we have here our second dish, that is za'atar cheese pide. So za'atar is kind of a Turkish seasoning along with 4 types of cheese. You can see that there are a lot of cheese with za'atar spices on it. So I'm just gonna take a bite. Little spicy, creamy. Bread is really good. Actually, this bread is thin bread, अगर इफ़ यू नो दैट देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रेड्स दैट वी गेट, एक तो होता है बहुत ही ज़्यादा थिक यानी कि मोटा, एंड द अदर ब्रेड दैट यू गेट इज़ वेरी थिन. सो दिस वन इज़ वेरी थिन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जो चीज़ का फ्लेवर आ रहा है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स sesame seeds are, you know, taking it to all together to a different level. So I loved it. One thing that I wanted to mention, that it is also little sour. I think it's probably the za'atar spices, where, you know, it's the combination of spicy and little sour, and probably also because there is little tomato on this, so it could be that also. But then altogether, if you taste it, so you will get little crispy taste, and sesame seeds are very dominating, and then you can taste little spicy. So I think this dish is also really good. So guys, here we have our third dish, that is lamb shank. Guys, look at this, how beautiful this is. Like, look at the presentation with, you know, small leaves, and look at the rice and the mutton. Oh my god, it looks amazing, just fabulous. So tell you something about this dish. So basically this dish is cooked for the lamb shank. The gravy is cooked for 8 hours. It's slow cooked with saffron rice, and so we are gonna try. We are gonna take the first bite. It's little sour, and I can taste little peanuts in it, and you know, the saffron taste, rice, when you eat the rice, you can actually feel good flavor of saffron, which I hardly get to see anywhere, and then crunchy peanuts, and oh my god, the meat is super tender, it's juicy, fabulous. Like, it has the perfect balance of you know, you can taste, you can feel little spicy but not that much, you can feel little sour but not that much, you can have little crunchy peanuts, but then the taste is apt, and the rice has that saffron flavor. Oh my god, this dish super good, it's super tasty, and I definitely loved it. And if you guys come here, this dish is also one of the dish that you have to call for, guys. So now I'm gonna enjoy my lamb shank and see you for my sweet dish. So for our sweet ending, I have called for Turkish miso. So basically this is our traditional tiramisu but with Turkish twist. So I'm gonna give it a try. Super creamy, and then there is bread over here. So this dish is basically layered with lots of coffee, Bailey's mascarpone, and some cocoa dust. You can see that there is some cocoa dust over here. So here there is also bread, and over on top of that there is cream, and I can taste very dominating flavor of coffee, which is basically there all the time there in tiramisu. Bread is very soft, and it's blending really good with cream. At the same time, you can taste creamy along with soft bread, along with some cocoa dust and good amount of coffee. So all in all, this is really good, and I really loved it. And coffee lovers, do give it a try to this. So guys, we have come to the end of this vlog, and now we are going to rate this place on our festive meter. So if I have to talk about this place, oh guys, this place is a hidden gem, and I'm in love with this place. The vibe of this place is so amazing. After a long time, I have found such an amazing place which has great ambience, great food. Oh my god, their hummus was so amazing. If you guys come here, then you must give it a try. It's that dish specifically, and otherwise everything about this place is good. The staff is amazing. They are on time, service is quick, and if you call, like, I just love everything. I cannot say I don't think so anything about this place that I have particularly disliked, but superb guys. So do give it a try to this place, and on my festive meter I'm gonna rate this place 9.5 out of 10. Yes guys, I'm rating this place 9.5 because I'm in love with this place, and I know I'm saying this again and again, but that's the fact. So guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.